How to keep an iPhone screen on. To get started, open the Settings app on your iPhone. On the main settings page, scroll if needed, then tap Display and Brightness. In this menu, tap Auto Lock to view the available timing options. If never does not appear, or options are limited to 30 seconds, go back to the settings list and tap Battery. Turn off low power mode by toggling the switch to the off position so the battery icon returns to normal. Now return to Display and Brightness, open Auto Lock again, and select Never. This change stops the screen from dimming and locking automatically during use. When you want to restore normal behavior, revisit Auto Lock and choose a time like 1 minute to help conserve power. With Auto Lock set to Never, your display will stay on until you lock it or the battery runs out. Following these steps, you can easily keep an iPhone screen on.